Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Artfully Composed Suite. Here's my first Artfully Composed card that I'm going to show you. I have used the vellum, the frayed ribbon, the dies, the faux sea glass, and of course the stamp set and dies. So you can find all of it on pages 32 and 33 of the mini catalog. And we have the bundle right here to start off with this really lovely hand-painted leaf. That's my favorite one because the detail on the stamp is just amazing. And you've got all these fun dies, edgelit, cross hatching, so really fun bundle. And then we have the faux sea glass in 3 colors, really, really pretty. And we have the frayed ribbon, which I love that it's white because you could color it any color that you want. You could cut it in half and make it any width that you want. So super, super fun ribbon. And then of course the vellum and the DSP. The vellum has 3 sheets of black printed in script, newsprint, and a map, and the white is the same. So you get 2 of each sheet. So you've got 12 sheets, 12 by 12 sheets. And then the DSP is amazing because the artist painted the leaves and then cut them out and placed them together in an arrangement and photographed them and then brought them in digitally to the computer. So take a close look at the paper. It's just super, super amazing. And that is on several of the sheets. And then on one of the sheets, you can use the dies to cut out this shape right here. So here's the die, and then you can use this die to cut it out right there. So I love when they do that. That's really super cool. So for this card, I'm going to start by coloring the vellum. I thought it would be fun to not just have just a plain white vellum, but to color it. So I'm going to grab some scrap paper here, and I'm going to use pale papaya and a blending brush. And I'm just going to grab a whole bunch of ink, and I'm just going to start swirling it on all the edges. I'm going to try and get a lot of ink on there. Okay, without getting the corners. Make sure you try to hold those down. So let's okay, so let me see how much I got on there. Let's grab a little bit more. Okay. So now that we've got this piece, I'm going to put that aside, and I'm going to grab my stitched rectangle, and I'm going to stamp the little newsprint stamp is what I call it, because it looks like newsprint. And I'm just going to stamp off and to get like a lighter color, like a super light color. So you could stamp off twice if you want a super, super light color. And then I'm just going to kind of do a little brick pattern here and just go all the way down. And create this texture for the background here. Oops, it's kind of dark, but that's going to get covered up. So don't, fret too much about any unevenness. Okay, so now we can start putting the card together. So I have a white card base, and I'm just going to go ahead and put the adhesive just right in the middle. You're not going to see it underneath our stitched rectangle. So just put that in the center here. And then this is going to go on dimensionals. And then I want to show you how gorgeous that is when you stamp it. So I'm going to stamp this in Pear Pizzazz. Okay, so try to get that evenly stamped there. Isn't that beautiful? I just love it, the way it looks painted when I stamp it. So I've already got one cut out here with some other elements. Super, super cool. So the last thing I'm going to stamp is thank you on just a little strip right here. And then we'll trim that down a little bit. So we'll just stamp thank you right there. A little crooked. So we'll try again on the other side. Wow, crooked again. Okay, that's okay. I've got lots of sheets left, so try again. Got to figure out how to get this lined up. There we go. That looks nice. Okay, so now I can put the card together. So I'm going to start by putting this on dimensionals and this on dimensionals. Okay, so pretty sure that's right side up. And then we'll add our leaves here like that. And that way you can kind of hide any little boo-boos that you made or anything. And then I'm just going to put some liquid glue on. Just mostly in the center here. And we'll add the Calypso coral leaf over here. And then this pale papaya right there. And then I've got some of the frayed ribbon. I'm just gonna trim it off. I'm just gonna place it across here. Okay, now I'm just gonna add some adhesive just all the way across the card for the ribbon. Just place that on there. And then I'm just gonna trim this right there. And then I can add this right about there. And then the best part is adding on the faux sea glass. So let's see, I'm gonna grab this piece right here, put it over here, and then this piece, I'm gonna do it a little differently. And this piece like that. All right, so I'm offering this as a free card kit when you purchase the bundle or place a $40 order. So you will receive supplies for 2 of each of these designs. And just go to my website, elainescreations.net, click on Shop Now, use the current host code, and then email me and let me know that you would like the Artfully Composed card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching my video on the Artfully Composed Suite. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you liked it, please leave a comment and give it a like. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. And if you're interested in the products, they're all listed in the description below. Thanks so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.